Everyone, welcome back to CSC151. It's time for your first big project in Python. Now, I'm not going to scroll up and show you the actual code I used to make this because that would be, cheating in this situation. This is not a step-by-step instructional video. This is just showing you the end result. So, what you're going to do is you're going to make something that will create what I'm going to print down here, and it's going to, it's going to be all your own work. Remember that SLO number 2. This is going to be the proof that you already have the tools you need. You've already done this in previous assignments. It's just a matter of putting things together in the right order to be able to do it. So I'm going to hit execute and show you what this code is. This is the flashcard program. Please enter your name to confirm. Well, my name is David. Hello, David. The random number is 56. Please type a number. Enter to confirm. Okay, it's 6. Enter. And now when it loads up, it does, okay, 56 plus 6 is 62. 56 minus 6 is 50. 56 times 6 is 336. 56 divided by 6 is 9 1/3, basically. So let me execute this again, just to prove that it's a random number. Execute this. Enter my name. My name is now Sarah. Hello, Sarah. The random number is 38. Type a number to confirm. 2. And 38 plus 2 is 40. 38 minus 2 is 36. 38 times 2 is 76. 38 divided by 2 is 19. So, that's what your program is. It will make a random number from 1 to 100. You will type in your own number, and it will be able to do all these different math problems. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It will remember your name and use it over here. It will remember your number and use them right in these calculations right here. And it will, of course, remember its random number as well. So, there's a lot of stuff going in here. And so, here we go. This is what it is you're going to be doing. You have an entire week to make this program. You already have the information you need to be able to do this. You've done it in the previous 4 assignments. Go back and look at them and see what you did and how you got this code to work. There you go. I'll see you next week when we're going to start going into if statements and loops. Thank you very much. You have a great day.